We are now going to return to MobaXterm. My session's logged out. Click on it, hit R, and after you've done a wipe, you have to accept the new server host key and carry on connecting. And now we're logged in. If you've shut down MobaXterm, when you reopen it, click your recent sessions down here with your printer IP address. It will ask you the same thing to accept the new host key. Click on it and you'll be logged in. We're now going to go to the repository, and down here we have the command to start doing the Bootstrap, which will start moving files over to the printer. We're going to copy that in here and press enter. The first thing it does is it starts moving over the files it needs to start installing Entware. After Entware is installed, it will then move over the repository onto the printer. Entware is finished installing, and it has also cloned the repository over onto the printer. Now it's asking if we want to enter the menu system. Press Y and then press enter. Menu system is now open and ready to go through and start installing.